Hello and welcome to another edition of Victor Isibo Reviews. For the sake of the first timers, allow me to reintroduce myself. My name is Victor Isibo, the face and the voice behind Victor Isibo Reviews. Here on this YouTube channel, you get to learn motivationals. We do business reviews. We talk about savings and investments, life lessons, pretty much everything that makes you a better version of yourself in all ramifications. So if you are in the business of developing yourself on a daily basis, then you are at the right place. I suggest you hit the red subscribe button, turn on the bell notification icon, place it on all so that you don't miss any of my subsequent videos. And to my returning subscribers and viewers, salute. It's a pleasure having you back on this channel. Without further ado, today we are going to be talking about Owodaily.com. I know you must have heard about Owodaily.com. Can you make money on Owodaily.com? Are they legitimate? You're going to find out in this video. Stick around till the end of this video, like in typical fashion. Towards the end of the video, after doing a review, I give you my concerns and I rate the platform on a scale of 1 to 10, 0 to 10 most times. Okay, but like I begin all my reviews videos, let me start with a disclaimer. I am not an investment advisor. Do not take my word for it. Do your due diligence. I shall not take credit for any profits made or any losses incurred by you basing your investment decision on any of my videos. Now that we've gotten that disclaimer out of the way, we are on the website of Owodaily, and they say that you make money working from home on Africa's fastest growing digital and affiliate network. Access unlimited digital jobs shared daily on the network, or promote affiliate offers shared by businesses to earn a commission when job is completed, or you make an affiliate sale. Now this platform is a platform where you can do affiliate marketing by promoting products of brands. Then you earn a commission when you make a purchase. Okay, also you get to do some social media tasks, like you help promote people's YouTube channels, Instagram pages for likes and follows. You know, a lot of people want to have these things done, and you know, they post such ads on Owodaily. Okay, and you know, digital workers who are registered as affiliates, you know, they pick up these tasks, get it done, and get paid by the brand and Owodaily. Okay, so they say, as a brand or business, never pay for bad traffic again. You can now access to hire thousands of targeted digital workers and affiliates to promote your business or brand and enjoy the very best performance marketing solution in Africa, or instantly connect your brand, products and services with millions of paying customers using our marketplace. Okay, so apparently they also have an e-commerce hub where you can advertise your products and make sales as well on Owodaily. So Owodaily is essentially a marketplace where you have advertisers and you have promoters alike. Okay, and also a platform where you can pick up a product, any of the products on adverts, promote those products in the typical affiliate marketing fashion. I get, you know, cashbacks and you know, commissions as well. So it's just a market hub where there are digital and affiliate workers who are ready to promote brands. Okay, they say start earning. Now they say Owodaily member earn by completing digital jobs successfully as a network affiliate or hiring workers for performance marketing campaigns. They say Owodaily plus affiliates. They say get everything on Owodaily membership plus access to earning commissions and cashback from products and services on the market. Okay, so that is essentially what Owodaily is all about. They say you get instant cash bonuses, They say, how does an entrepreneur use Owodaily? They say individuals and businesses interested in online marketing are able to use Owodaily for high performance marketing campaigns, getting access to Africa's largest online workforce, or access to products, services, earning a commission, cashback on Owodaily, plus while sellers are able to sell more with an online shop and affiliates via our marketplace. Okay, so there are, in a tripartite system kind of format, you have members, you have Owodaily Plus, and you also have sellers. Okay, so those are those that make up the Owodaily marketplace. So they said, how do you register on Owodaily? They said registration is easy. Simply click on become a member on the menu, submit correctly your personal details on the registration page, and then you proceed to verify your email. Once this is done, you can select your membership plan to complete the registration. Okay, so what are the membership plans? Okay, they say membership grants you access to digital jobs on the network and a network bonus for invites. The Owodaily Plus is for affiliate marketers only and individuals who wish to enjoy cashbacks all year long. And in bracket they say Owodaily Plus is for active members only. And below is their pricing. Okay, say one time membership fee is 3,000. They say Owodaily Plus annual subscription is 10,000. Okay, they say seller account setup is 15,000. So what this means is that if you just want to be a member, you'll pay a one-time membership fee of 3,000. But if you want to, become an affiliate marketer with the Owodaily Plus package, you pay 10,000, and this is an annual fee, renewable annually. And they said the seller account, if you want to be a seller in the e-commerce hub, you have to pay 15,000 naira. Of course, they say they have the Owodaily app on the Google Play Store. Do well to check it out if you're interested. They said in the frequently asked questions, let us look at it. I think an important question is how to earn as a member and its benefits. Okay, all paid members have access to all digital available jobs in registered target locations and access to network affiliates earning via invites. With our tools, you will be able to further as a digital marketer or social media manager, while on Owodaily Plus, affiliate marketing and cashback are available at an annual fee. So they said, is Owodaily registered? They said Owodaily is a registered business under Team Exclusive Africa Online Limited, verifiable under the Corporate Affairs Commission of Nigeria. Owodaily is trademarked under the Federal Ministry of Trade and Investment, Commercial Law Department, Industrial Property Office Registry. So that is a sneak peek of the website of Owodaily. And very quickly, let me give my reaction about Owodaily. Then I'll tell you my rating and what I feel about them. Now, this is a market hub. Okay, so there's nothing shady or weird or strange or fishy about how money can be made on Owodaily. Obviously, unlike a typical Ponzi scheme where the product that converts to cash cannot be traced, it can only be imagined. Now, Owodaily is a marketplace where digital products and services are being offered. Okay, and if you're interested to work to promote those products and services, you're going to get a commission. This is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is legitimate because you make money only when you make a sale. When money exchanges hands, that's when you get to make money. So there's nothing shady about that. But you need to put in work to make money as an affiliate marketer or carrying out tasks on Owodaily. If you can do that, then you're going to be making some good money for yourself by way of commissions and cashbacks. Now, here is the challenge that I have. Now, Owodaily is new on the horizon. Okay, for the kind of model they're operating, for there to be a balance between the digital products promoters and affiliate marketers and the brands, there has to be like a balance, like an equilibrium. What it means is that there has to be enough companies, putting up job offers for on Owodaily, so that Owodaily affiliate marketers can have a job to do, because this is a market hub where, for instance, I need likes and followers on Instagram, and I'm putting it on Owodaily website, and I'm offering money to any of the workers on Owodaily who can help get me the likes that I want. When I get the likes and the follows that I want, then I pay money. How many sellers, how many brands are using Owodaily, offering Owodaily the opportunity to engage their affiliate marketers with jobs? How many jobs are available on Owodaily? Do they have the clout? Do they have the popularity to attract people to want to promote their businesses and services with them? That's the problem. Existing in most of this kind of market hubs is the fact that you have a lot of workers, but you don't have enough jobs for them to do. So before you join Owodaily, you have to consider the fact that the number of workers seem to exceed the number of available jobs. So if that is the situation, you may not be making a lot of money, because you will not be getting enough jobs. Too many workers, too little number of jobs available. Okay, other than that, Owodaily is a very good way to make money if you are good with your affiliate marketing. If you know how to promote products, if you know how to get digital jobs done, like Instagram likes and follows, people who want to become influencers, they need large followership. If you can promote their pages, you can get paid for it. So there is nothing shady about Owodaily. Owodaily is just a platform, but I pray and I hope that they're going to get better, so that more brands will bring more jobs, so that the affiliate marketers and members are going to have something to do. So before you think of subscribing to an annual package on Owodaily, you need to test the waters and see if there are going to be sufficient jobs for you to do, so that you can recoup some of your of the money you paid, the membership fees that you paid. So on a scale of 1 to 10, I want to rate Owodaily a 6, because I like the idea of having this kind of marketing hub where people who can render quality services can actually get paid for their jobs, and creating and bridging the gap between the rich and the poor, because of the high unemployment rate in Africa. I think Owodaily is doing a good job. Now, I'm not scoring them above a 6, because I'm still watching them. I want to see how often their affiliates get jobs to do, and the number of jobs that are available at every point in time. So that's what I'm looking to do. That's why I am giving them a 6. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a like, share it on your social media, and subscribe if you haven't done so up till now. Turn on the bell notification icon, put it on all. You don't want to miss my next video. Until I see you in that next video of mine, I remain Victor Esibo, and bye night is bye for now.